So today I'm bringing in Faris because one of the things that stood out to me is you not only help people tell their story, but you help them tell the right story. And this is an opportunity for people to learn how to be able to find out where they're at, what they bring to the table, and how to be able to leverage it in a way that's going to help them get where they want to be able to go. For me, the way that I always frame it is finding your definition of success, whatever that may be. And I think you help people not only do it, but you help them put a name to it in a story that helps them do it in a way that other people respond well to it. So, with that, I'm going to say welcome and thank you for being here.
Thank you for the invite.
Yes, yes. Now that's about as probably as serious as I'm gonna be throughout this whole thing 'cause
That's about it.
I held on for as long as I could. All right, let's start here. Walk me through what you actually do with Pain to Prosperity, because it's not just editing and publishing. What does the full scope of what you offer actually look like?
We are the new industry disruptors, and I mean
Mm,
that legitimately. From the very beginning, an author will come to us with an idea, with a manuscript, and we put you in what we call an author success pod. So that's a
okay,
project manager, an administrative assistant, your personal editor, and then that would be the author. So the author is actually having their product, their book, their manuscript, whatever they're working on, edited in real time with the editor. So it's not a lag in
okay.
between them completing the first chapter or the first half of the book or the whole book, and they're waiting for the editor to get it back to them. So they're working in tandem at the same time. But while they're doing that, we have the marketing department build out a brand package and a marketing package for them to be executing at the time that they start with the manuscript. We don't wait until the book is already done to start the
Mhm.
marketing. We start marketing at the time that we're working on the idea. You refine the marketing as you're refining the book, you're refining the workbook, you're refining whatever marketing material or product that you're working on. So as we're doing that, the editing is going back and forth. The project manager makes sure that everybody is on time. Everybody's deliverables are delivered. The administrative assistant is just your backup. You don't have time to type, or you just need some ideas or a little bit of
Okay.
research or some fact checking. We want to give you every opportunity to succeed. Your time is limited. You don't have time to look up a particular subject. That's what your administrative assistant is there for. Not only that, but the editor is paired with the project that they specialize in, so it makes it easier for them to help you as far as fact checking. Like they know this may not be right. They know where to
Mm.
go to verify said information. So you have another set of eyes. So we work in a team environment. So that's the main thing that makes us different. But in addition to that, is after the book is put together, after we've got the ISBN number to cover all of that, we make sure that 30 days after we still assist you with the marketing to make sure that your book is still being visible, that you're still getting the attention that you want. And we show you other ways to branch off into making additional streams of income from that.
I love that. There's a few things to unpack in that because I want people to hear every single bit of what's separating you from what a lot of these options are out there. One, you're helping people that don't have time figure out ways to be able to make time to be able to tell their story in a way that actually matters. And then you're actually not waiting until the book is done to start thinking about what promotion and marketing is going to look like. You're helping them figure out how to be able to build up that buzz and everything before the book comes out. Because if you have to wait to do it, then that's just a whole level of ramp up time that you need, and that can affect what your ranking and everything is. When I see a lot of people say, "Oh, best selling author" and all the rest of that, if you're able to come out of the gate with already having a following or people that are looking for the book and things like that, that's going to help not only your initial sales, but your overall sales, as well as any of the platforms that are saying, okay, well, we want to work with you because you were on for a day and you were already getting sales. Like that's a completely different experience.